Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne. Today's video is going to be on this makeup look right here. I did my eyes and my brows off camera. I just wanted to sit down and film to see how these products work. These are new products that I got from Sephora. So if you want to see what I got and how I got this look, just keep on watching. So I don't have any makeup on my face at the moment. I just have my eyes done. And my brows as well. So I got this moisturizer from The Ordinary. I'm not gonna use it today. I use it on my clients. I love this stuff. It's very creamy. It's thick, but it does get into your skin very nicely. It's very emollient and moisturizing very well. Like, it gives you a glow. It's beautiful. I love it before makeup. I'm gonna be using this K-Skin. This is a face lotion with SPF 45. It's called the Isle Glow. I did enjoy the body lotions from this brand as well, so I'm really excited to use this today. I'm going out and we're gonna be sitting outside today, so it has a little tint to it. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, this is so beautiful. It reminds me of the Supergoop that I had. Unfortunately, I got mine like in November, and so this is what it looks like. Very hydrating. So the Supergoop I got in November, and within 3-4 months it went bad. I was so mad. It started to separate, and it was like the liquid and the glow was separated completely. So when I was squeezing it, it was like two different products. And I looked at the packaging and it was expired. I'm like, I got this one just because I did enjoy the body care from K-Skin. So this is nice. It's very lightweight and I do like the finish. I do have dry skin, so I really like anything glowy. Okay, so jumping into the foundation. Use a new foundation to me today. I did haul it in my last video. And I haven't tried it yet. So this is the Chanel No. 1 foundation. I'm really excited about this foundation because everyone raves about it. So I'm really excited. And this is in the shade BR22. I'm not sure what they stand for. I'm gonna use this Morphe brush and I'm going to be, maybe I put a lot of foundation here, but let's just put this aside here. I don't have any new primer or anything, so, and I have so many primers, but I don't prime. Mostly I use it for my clients. So maybe a little light and a little more on the pink side. We'll fix it with some bronzer, so it's not like a big deal. I do get light in the winter time, so I didn't want to get all of my foundations to be really, summer shades. I did get another foundation, NARS, the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I love this foundation so much. This is a second bottle. I do use it on myself, on clients, and I do love it so much. But I've never tried this Chanel, so I wanted to try it. I did use Kosas brow pencil for the first time today. I really like it. It's pigmented, easy to use, and I did enjoy the tinted gel mascara for the brows. It's wonderful. It's a lifesaver. Applied enough foundation. It's super glowy. I think it's because of the K-Skin moisturizer that I applied, but it's okay. I like that. We're going to be bronzing as well. I don't have any bronzer in this haul, so I'm gonna use something that I have. So the foundation is actually really nice. Very healthy looking on the skin and runs so beautifully. Like, it's an effortless foundation. You don't get a lot of coverage. It evened out my skin tone, so that's all I really care about. But maybe for extra coverage, I would say maybe build it up or just spot conceal, but it's really lovely. I'm going to use my Chanel bronzer, and this is the original one. I know they came out with new shades, which is lovely. I forgot to use this Le Beige Healthy Glow Cream. This is in the shade Rosy Beige. I think it came only in one shade. This is limited edition by Chanel. And oh my gosh, I was gonna use it, but probably I will use it another time. So this is like a base before it comes like in this color. I feel like when I tried it on, so this is the shade, when I tried it on, it just felt like, you know, like a primer to me. Like, see, it's kind of blurring as well. I don't want to ruin my foundation, oh my goodness. Yeah, it just felt like a primer. It was very smoothing, glowy at the same time. So I really actually liked it, but I will probably use it next video. I'm sorry, I forgot. I totally forgot about this. Two different blushes. This is from Say. This is the Glow Sculpt, and this is a multi-use cream highlighter blush. And then I also got the Makeup by Mario. This is the Soft Pop Plumping Blush Veil, and this is in the shade Pinch Me Pink. This one is in the shade Mauve Glow. I'm not sure which one. I think this is very glowy from Say, so probably, and I don't know, I did swatch it. It's very, very glowy. I'm not sure if you can see. So this is the color of the Mauve Glow. I'm probably gonna take a sponge, taking my sponge here, and I'm just going to apply it on my cheeks. So pretty. It is very, very glowy. I really like that. And the color is so pretty. Like, it's a pinkish, it's not too reddish, and it's not too purple. Hope you can see the color. It's more like sheer. I would say I would use it as a blush topper. Let's try the Makeup by Mario. This is Pinch Me Pink. I did swatch this one as well. It is so pretty. This is like more pink. So this is the Makeup by Mario, and this is the Say. Again, I'm gonna use the same sponge, and I'm just gonna put it on my cheeks here. I'm gonna put this one on this cheek here. Oh, this is more pink. Oh, I love this. This is a glowy as well. So as I said, this has more pigment. This one is more of a topper, I would say. So I will just maybe put this one on top of this, just to make them look kind of similar. But I love both of them, so maybe if I use something like a pink blush that is matte, and I'm just going to be using this on top as my highlight and blush topper. Tarte Cosmetics, this is the Radiant Shape Tape Concealer. This is the shade 22 Light Neutral. That was my shade in the original Shape Tape. I did like it, I did enjoy it, but as I get older, I don't like anything very, very matte under my eyes. So same packaging, but the color is different. So we're gonna try it. Same doe foot applicator. I'm just going to do a little bit of concealing here. Just like that. I'm just gonna take a little bit here. Just like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to be just blending this concealer under the eyes and leave it to set a little bit. That's what I've been doing with my concealers actually. It works better. It gives you more coverage. But I'm not sure of this concealer because it's new, if I can blend it after. Some concealers just set too quickly, but because I think this is Radiant, I don't think it's gonna do that. You have more time to blend. And I like to bring the concealer a little bit to the side of the nose just to give me that pinched nose. I don't want to touch my wing here. Concealer, it's blending so beautifully. Like, it's not set. so nice. And the color is so beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna use a new powder today as well. This is from One Size. I've used their translucent setting powder before. This is the pink version, and I'm really excited. It's supposed to be brightening, so I hope it does that. I did finish my translucent setting powder. I really love it. I use it on myself. I use it on clients. It's wonderful. So we're gonna use this really pink, if you can see in the lid. This is just the shade is different. Okay, it's not too pink on the skin, to be honest, so it's really, really nice. Oh my gosh, what a difference. There's a huge difference between these two eyes here. Okay, we'll do the other one as well. It is brightening for sure. And it's blurring because I know the original one, it's so beautiful. Oh, that's amazing. I really, really like it. I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury, and this is the Airbrush Flawless Powder, and this is in the shade 1, Fair. I do have number 2 as well. So I'm just with a big brush, I'm just going to set this area of my face here, and then a little bit on the forehead. We're gonna set the blush with powder. I got a Dior blush. This is the Rosy Glow, and this is in the shade Rosewood. I got this one for my birthday from my kids, which was really lovely. So I'm gonna use it. It's so pretty. Like, the color is just perfection. I do have the pink one, which I do use. I use it on my brides as well, so it's a lovely color. So let's see with this one here. Oh, that is pretty as well. And I'm just applying it just at the very high point of my cheeks. I don't want too much pink on my... It's very pigmented. I'll apply this one on my face, and this is the LYS Beauty, this Blur Mattify Set Makeup Setting Spray. I'm really excited about it. I'm just gonna cover my eyes. It's so perfect, and it's so misty. Like, I really like it. It is very beautiful on the skin. It doesn't make my skin so tight, but I feel the setting process of this, like, I can feel like my skin is like getting set. It doesn't leave me dry or very, very matte. I know it says matte, but it's not too mattifying for me. Like, I do have dry skin, but it doesn't make me feel so dry. The last thing I'm going to be doing, I did get 2 different products for my lips. I wanted to try the Summer Friday, everybody talks about those lip butter balm, and this is in the shade, Brown Sugar. I wanted to get the pink one, and it was sold out. It was sold out in store and online as well, so I couldn't get my hands on it. I wanted the pink one. Anyway, so today I'm going to be using this Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Glossy Nude Pink Lip Duo. I got the shade Iconic Nude and Pillowtalk. Oh, I have Iconic Nude already, so. This is in the shade Pillowtalk. And it's a gloss, so. It's probably a little like dark for what I want. Let's see, I don't know. So there's this one here, and I'm gonna try the lip balm from Summer Friday. Apply the lip gloss in Pillowtalk. I don't like the applicator. Like, it's like a heart shape. Weird. Can't do this, you know what I mean? This is more shiny, so I'm gonna apply this as well. And this is in the shade Brown Sugar. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, and it feels so good on the lips, to be honest. Oh, I really like this. This is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed everything on my face today. Like, I'm really blown away by the way it looks. Everything looks so smooth, so pretty on the skin, very glowy. The foundation, I cannot say that it's gonna be a good one right now. I have to wait. Maybe I'll come at the end of the night, or maybe I will update you guys in the description box. So everything else looks so good. Like, I'll zoom you guys in. So this is what the foundation and the concealer, powder, the blush, like everything that I used today is kind of brand new, except for my eyes and my brows. Other than that, I really enjoyed everything here. So it looks so good. I'm obsessed with this Summer Friday lip butter. What is it called? Lip butter balm. So I will probably get my hands on the pink shade because I really like that color. When I swatched it in the store, I think I bought too much. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe before you go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.